Hi and welcome back to the workshop. Today we are working on Christmas ornaments still, and I have a blank for a Christmas bell that's going to be an ornament. So I'm going to be doing some chasing on this and some texturing as well. And if you want to get the blank, check the description below and I will make sure to put the link for that. But now we're going to get to the forging. To begin with, I was using a hot chisel that was just straight, and now I'm going to move on to using a curved hot chisel, which I'm going to attempt to shape the bow at the top of the bell. Time to reheat. I just finished using up this eyeball punch. This one's a larger one than I've been using before to do the little circle up at the top of the bow. And I'm gonna get ready to use this fuller on the bow to give it a little more detail. All right, I'm gonna roll up the tip of this for the yarn to go through, or the string, over the tip of the anvil. And gonna have to heat it up a little more, but try to get that curled in there a good bit, and maybe looped the bottom if I can. All right, well, this is how it turned out. I am pleased with the result. I originally, when I first started it, I didn't think I was going to go in depth in the chiseling as I did. I added the little parts of the bows down here, and that wasn't originally planned, but it was extra good practice for chiseling. And I also tried out the fullering. That was my first time trying that on the bow, and it really has a really neat effect to it. So especially with it going up to the edge and then like giving a little bit of a diagonal tilt, it makes it really accentuated at the edge. And so I'm really pleased with the result. So like I mentioned earlier in the video, if you want to pick up a blank for this, I will put a link down in the description. And if you are looking to make any other Christmas presents or Christmas ornaments, we have lots of videos on our channels. We've got an entire Christmas playlist, so make sure you check that out. And we also have an accompanying ebook on it, the 10 hand-forged Christmas gifts that you can make this year. So check that out as well. Links for all of this is down in the description. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas. We will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.